Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Princess Eliza S. Pengson, and today I will gonna discuss the problem given, which is 3-29. Determine the forces in all the members of the lattice truss. State if the members are in tension or compression. Substitute member JEB by one place between K and F. So in this problem, we will determine the forces of all the lattice truss, and we will state if the members is tension or compression. So as you can see, makikita nyo sa A is 1.5 ang reaction, and D, ang reaction niya is 0.5. So, alam na rin natin kung paano magkuha ng reaction, diba? So, yun, ang reaction ng A is 1.5, and reaction sa D is 0.5. And then, if nakikita nyo itong theta is equal to tan, 6/6 is equal to 45, is yan yung height. Kung paano natin siya masolve, yan yung height. And then, yung SI is equal to S prime I plus X. SI is, kasi sa problem is, ihanapin natin kung ano yung SI. So, yan yung, yan yung equation paano natin makuha yung SI. At joint A. So, as you can see, nakikita nyo yung figure. So, ang assumption ko sa AG is compression, and ang assumption ko sa AB is tension. So, yung upward vertical, which is yan yung A, ang reaction niya is 1.5. So, isosolve natin yung mga forces horizontal and vertical. So, summation of forces horizontal is equal to 0. AB is equal to 0. Bakit 0? Kasi nga, walang reaction sa kabila. Summation of forces vertical is equal to 0. AG is equal to 1.5. Which is compression kasi nga pataas. So, kumaga mag-equal lang yan sila. So, ang AG natin is 1.5, and it is a compression. At joint D. So, ang assumption ko sa DE is compression, and ang assumption ko sa DC is tension. So, yung reaction ng D natin is 0.5. So, ganun rin sa joint A. So, ang forces horizontal natin is DC is equal to 0, and ang forces vertical natin is 0.5, compression ay DE. At joint E. So, ang DE natin, which is yung 0.5, magagamit na natin siya dito. Yung EH, ang assumption ko is compression, and ang EC natin is tension. So, solve na natin siya. So, summation of forces vertical is equal to 0. So, 0.5 sin 45, magagamit na natin yung sinob natin kanina, which is yung shift tan 6 all over 6 is equal to 45 minus EH is equal to 0. So, EH is equal to 0.3536 K, and then ang kwan niya, what is called that is yung assumption niya is compression. So, summation of forces horizontal, EC plus 0.5 cos 45 is equal to 0. So, EC is equal to 0.3536 K, and then yung assumption natin is tension. At joint C. So, ang assumption ko sa CF is compression, and assumption ko sa CB is tension. So, susolve na natin yung mga forces. First, forces vertical is equal to 0. So, yung CF, so, yung CF natin is equal to 0.3536. So, same lang sila dun sa CE or sa AC, dun sa kanina na joint. And then, for summation of forces horizontal is equal to 0. So, isosolve na natin. So, negative CB plus 0.3536 cos 45 plus 0.3536 cos 45 is equal to 0. So, is equal to 0. So, ang CB natin is equal to 0.45 K tension. At joint B, so, Ang assumption ko sa BG is tension and ang assumption ko sa BE is tension rin. So, yung B natin is meron siyang load or reaction na 2. So, solve na natin. So, forces vertical is equal to 0. So, negative 2, which is pababa siya. Negative 2 sine 45 minus 0.5 ng CB, which is yung CB isa yung reaction sa CB na joint kanina. Sine 45 plus BG is equal to 0. So, BG is equal to 1.7678 Pascal and ang assumption is tension. Forces horizontal. BE minus 2 cos 45 plus 0.5 cosine 45 is equal to 0. So, ang BE natin is 1.0607 Pascal tension. So, ang assumption niya is tension and yung forces ng B is 1.0607. At joint H. So, ang assumption ko sa HK is compression and then ang assumption ko sa SJ is tension. So, what is called that? So, summation of forces vertical in HK is 0.3536. So, saan ko ba ito siya nakuha? So, nakuha ko ito siya sa CF. Yeah, CF ko ito siya nakuha. And then, sa summation of forces horizontal, so, ang summation ko sa, ang forces sa HJ is 0.4143K tension. So, kung ano ang forces sa HF ay equal lang siya sa HJ, which is 0.4143. At joint G. So, ang assumption ko sa GI is compression and ang assumption ko sa JL is tension. So, nakikita nyo naman ang figure. So, GI cos 45 plus 1.7678 cos 45 is equal to 0. So, the forces in GI is equal to 1.7678 Pascal compression. In summation forces vertical, 1.5 minus 1.7678 sine 45 minus 1.7678 sine 45 is equal, minus GL is equal to 0. So, ang GL natin is 1 Pascal tension. So, ang force niya is 1 Pascal and ang assumption niya is tension. At joint L, ang assumption ko sa LK is tension and then sa LI is compression. So, isusolve na natin. Summation of forces vertical is equal to 0. So, Li sine 45 minus 1, which is 1 is yan yung reaction sa I minus, minus 1 is equal to 0. So, Li is equal to 1.4142 Pascal and then ang assumption natin is compression. Sa forces horizontal is Lk minus 1.4142 cos 45 is equal to 0. So, Lk is equal to 1 Pascal tension. At joint I. So, isosolve lang natin dito sa joint. Okay, sa joint I. So, ang assumption ko summation of forces vertical is equal to upward is positive. So, ang IF is equal to 1.4142 Pascal compression and then sa IK ko is 1.7678 K compression kasi nga para lang yung kuan lang sila yung para opposite. So kung ano yung reaction sa opposite, yun ang reaction sa kabila. At joint F. So isosolve na natin kasi nakikita yun naman sa figure. So summation vertical is okay, solve natin siya. 0.3536 minus 1.4142 plus FK sine 45 is equal to 0. So, FK is equal to 1.5K Pascal is equal to, the assumption is tension. So, yun ang FK natin. And then, sa forces horizontal, FH is equal to 1.0607 plus 1.5 cosine 45 is equal to 0. So, FH natin is equal to 0. At joint J, so, ang forces sa J, which is ang JK is equal to 0 kasi nga, dun sa problem is yung JK or JE is isa-substitute siya sa K and F. Isa-substitute siya sa K and F between sa K and F. So, isolve na natin itong another joint sa F sa 4SI at joint J. So, ang assumption ko sa JK is tension and assumption ko sa JH is compression. So, J is forces vertical. JH sine 45 minus 1 is equal to JH is equal to 1.4142 Pascal compression. And then, so force horizontal, JK is equal to JK minus 1.4142 cos 45. So, ang JK is equal to 1 Pascal tension. At joint H for SI, so, nakikita nyo naman yung figure. So, summation horizontal. So, sabihin na natin siya. So, HF is equal to 1.4142 Pascal compression. And then, sa force vertical, so, kung ano ang HK, is yun rin ang HE. Ang forces sa DE pati DC is equal to 0 kasi wala. Kasi nga, ang susunod natin is 4SI, which is, dun tayo nag-start sa J kanina. At joint E. So, nakikita nyo naman ang ating figure. So, sa vertical, 1 sine 45 minus HE is equal to 0.707 Pascal compression. So, di ba kanina is sinod natin yung HK, di ba? Dun sa isang joint, HK is equal to HE. So, ibig sabihin, ang HK na rin natin is 0.707 Pascal compression. And then, sa force horizontal, so, negative EC plus 1 cos 45 is equal to 0. So, EZ is equal to 0.707 Pascal tension. At joint C. So, ang assumption ko sa CF is compression and assumption ko sa CB is tension. So, isosolve na natin. So, ang CF is equal to 0.707 Pascal compression. And then, sa horizontal ko, sa forces horizontal is 0.707 cos 45 plus 0.707 cos 45 minus CB is equal to 0. So, CB is equal to 1 Pascal tension. At joint B. So, nakikita nyo rin naman ang figure. So, susolve na lang natin siya. Force vertical, BG minus sine 45 is equal to 0. So, BG is equal to 0.707 Pascal tension. In force horizontal, BF minus 1 cos 45. So, BF is equal to 0.707 Pascal compression. At joint F, so direct solve na natin kasi nakikita nyo rin naman ang figure. So, muna tayo sa force horizontal. So, 0.707 minus 1.4142 plus FK cos 45 is equal to 0. So, FK is equal to 1 Pascal tension. In force vertical, 0.707 plus 1 sine 45 is minus Fi is equal to 0. So, Fi is equal to 1.4142 Pascal compression. At joint L. So, direct solve na tayo kasi nakikita rin naman ng figure. So, alam natin kung paano i-analyze. So, isosolve lang natin ito sa joint L is yung force horizontal. Force horizontal pala. So, LK minus 1.4142 cos 45. So, LK is equal to 1 Pascal tension. At joint A, so kikita nyo naman sa joint A is wala siyang solution kasi nga hindi siya masosolve because we start in J. So, at joint G na tayo. So, the last. So, kikita nyo naman kung saan ako nag-assume. So, sa GL ko, nag-assume ako tension. Titinang natin kung tama ba. Ganun rin sa GI. So, GL is equal to 0.707 Pascal tension. Ibig sabihin, yung JL natin is kinuha lang natin sa opposite direction. Sa vertical. Sa horizontal naman is 0.707. Itong 0.707 is nakuha natin sa GL. Cosine 45 minus GI is equal to 0. So, GI is equal to 0.5 Pascal tension. So, in this last part, kikita nyo kung bakit may S prime I, SI, pati XSI. So, para makuha natin yung SI, so, di ba kanina may binigay ako kanina formula, equation, which is SI is equal to S prime I plus XSI. So, para makuha natin yung sagot na final, so, ang gawin natin is isa-substitute natin. So, yung SI natin is, diba, is kanina is 1.5, negative 1.5 plus XSI, which is yung XSI natin sa member A is equal to 0. So, ang SI natin is 1.5. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito siya is, isa-substitute na lang natin yung bawat joint sa mga equation. Yung joint sa, kung saan ba sila sa SI or sa XSI. So, shukran and thank you for watching.